All right, we got another bed swap. Taking this bed off and putting a airflow stainless subframe hoist and bed. Make it a little bit shinier. And yeah, it's gonna get front flaps too. So yeah, let's get going. Let's get this bed off. All right, bed's off. So upon closer inspection, there was nothing wrong with the hoist or subframe or any of that. So we're gonna go ahead and keep all this. It's just a simple bed swap and some front flaps. Yeah, it made my life easy. So yeah, here we go. All right, got all my pieces cleaned up, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and mount some front flap brackets, and then we'll drop a bed on her. Probably here in about a half an hour. Yeah, I realized I said a half an hour, and with no point of reference, it's like I may as well just said like in 15 dingle hops. Anyway, bed's on, welded up, and I have been requested to show my welds more, so let's turn this little piglet on. Oh, it would be dying. There we go. It's a little inconsistent. That's what happens when you listen to Skrillex or Ricky's Desktop or whatever his name is. There's that one. And there's that one. I'll fully weld it when I get it up in the air now. All right, so got all that welded up and done. Went ahead and did the wiring, got the rear lights in. Now we got they want the recessed strobes in the front, so we're gonna go ahead and cut some holes in the side here, or in the cab shield thingy, majig bob, kind of like this. So for those that didn't ask, this is basically just a template that the kerf from the center hole to the outside, I allowed for that kerf, so when I cut this hole, it'll be right on the money. And then rinse and repeat, and now I'll get the sides. There we go. Plasma's being a little bit of a turkey butt, but I'm too stubborn to change out the consumables. So yeah, let's get some lights in this thing. I gotta clean them up first, but let's get some lights in this. There we go. Snap those in, wire them up, good to go. And for those curious, that's the buyer's part number. It's about the cheapest strobe light you can get. So there you go. And there we go. All the strobes work. Frickin' yay and things. All right, let's paint this thing. There we go. Nice and shiny. I'm gonna go ahead and let this kick for a bit. Maybe I'll huff some paint fumes for a while, and in the morning I'll put some front flaps on this and kick her out. All right, there we go. Looking all shiny and pretty.